This video is based on my personal experience. I am not telling you that these supplies aren't applicable, but they are simply not necessary for beginners. You are totally free to have your own opinion and likings. Hello everyone. If you have been in the bullet journal community for a while, then you probably have seen tons of supplies along with it. But not all of them are necessary. So in this video, I will be listing 5 bullet journal supplies that you do not need. Excessive journals. If you love notebooks and are into bullet journal, then you have probably built a pile of journals. Some of them might be half filled. In some of them, you end up writing only a single page. So next time, be careful not to purchase a journal unless and until you need it. Along with tons of journal, there has also been hype for a blackout journal. They might seem pretty, but they do require special supplies and much more time. Brush pens. Being in the bullet journal community, there is no way that you have missed out on a picture or video of people with tons of brush pen in their decks. But that does not mean you need all of them. You can simply get a few brush pens you like and use them, because a lot of it end up drying out really fast. Stickers. Everyone loves cute stickers and they do make our bullet journal space look cute, but are they truly necessary? No. In fact, the basic bullet journal system simply requires a notebook to write in and a pen to write with. I've seen a lot of people spending a tons of money in them. If you really want your spreads to look cute, then you can simply add some doodles at the corner. That way you can also increase your drawing skills. Washi tapes. Same as the stickers, even for washi tapes, the hype is unnecessary. Washi tapes don't even have specific use. You might use them to hide your mistakes, but you can flaunt your mistakes as well. That way, it will be a memory in the future. And you also don't need to be a perfectionist. Stamps. Most of the people might think that stamps are helpful to save time. For most part of it, they are. But you have to keep in mind that stamps are expensive, plus they are also not available in every country easily. I've seen people shipping stamps from across the country, which I think is unnecessary. You can simply use a pen, and in that way you will be able to look back and observe how your handwriting was a few years back. So these were a few supplies that I think are quite overrated and you do not need them, especially as a beginner. Thank you so much for watching this video and feel free to leave your thoughts in the comments. And I'll see you in my next video.